Imagine transforming your bedroom into a luxurious sanctuary, all without breaking the bank. Yes, it's possible, and we're here to show you how. In the next few minutes, we will unveil 10 affordable ways to elevate the aesthetics of your bedroom. From hidden thrift store treasures to strategic lighting choices, we've got a plethora of tips and tricks that can help you create a high-end look on a low-end budget. So, buckle up for a fun and informative journey with us at Serene Shelter. Welcome to Serene Shelter, your ultimate guide to home living. We're here to enlighten you with smart, doable tips, tricks, and advice on enhancing your living space. From cozy corners to grand halls, we've got you covered. Now, let's dive into our top 10 ways to make your bedroom look expensive on a budget. Tip 1. Create a focal point. This is an essential element in any high-end room. A focal point draws the eye and gives it a place to rest. In a bedroom, the bed often serves as the focal point. So, consider investing in a striking headboard or an eye-catching piece of artwork above your bed. Moving on to tip 2. Layer your lighting. Good lighting is about more than just brightness. It's about layering. Start with a general source of light, like an overhead fixture. Then add task lighting, such as a reading lamp near your bed. And finally, consider accent lighting, like a small table lamp or wall sconces. This layered approach can add depth and sophistication to your bedroom. And now, tip 3. Use high-quality linens. Nothing says luxury like high-quality bed sheets. Look for linens with a high thread count, as these tend to feel softer and more luxurious. Also, consider adding a plush comforter or a cozy throw blanket to your bed. These elements not only add comfort, but also contribute to the overall look of luxury. Remember, less is more when it comes to creating an elegant, luxurious space. Moving on to tip 4. Invest in a statement piece. This could be anything from an antique dresser, a unique lamp, or even a bold piece of artwork. Statement pieces instantly elevate the look of your room, making it appear more expensive than it really is. They draw the eye and give your space a focal point, creating a sense of sophistication. Tip number 5. Play with textures. Incorporating different textures into your bedroom can add a layer of luxury. Think velvet cushions, a faux fur throw, or a shaggy rug. These elements not only add warmth and comfort to your space, but they also give it a rich, plush feel. Plus, they're often inexpensive ways to update the look of your room. And for our 6th tip, use mirrors strategically. A well-placed mirror can make a room look larger and brighter. It reflects light, making your space feel airy and spacious. Plus, mirrors can be relatively affordable, depending on the style and size you choose. Opt for a large, ornate mirror for a touch of glamour, or a simple, sleek design for a more modern look. With these tips, you're well on your way to creating a luxurious bedroom on a budget. Now, for our final set of tips. Let's dive into the last 4 pearls of wisdom that could transform your bedroom from drab to fab without breaking the bank. Tip 7 is all about embracing minimalism. Less is truly more when it comes to a high-end look. By decluttering your space and opting for a more streamlined aesthetic, you're not only creating a serene environment, but also giving your room a more luxurious feel. Moving on to tip 8, let's talk about lighting. Soft, layered lighting can dramatically alter the mood of a room. Consider investing in dimmable lights and varying light sources, such as floor lamps, table lamps, and maybe even some fairy lights for that magical touch. Next, our 9th tip is to invest in art. Artwork adds a touch of sophistication and personal style to any room. And remember, art doesn't have to be expensive. Look for local artists, thrift store finds, or even create your own. And last, but certainly not least, tip 10 is to add a statement piece. This could be an oversized mirror, a unique piece of furniture, or a bold rug. A statement piece acts as the focal point of the room and instantly elevates the overall aesthetic. And there you have it, 10 simple and affordable ways to make your bedroom look expensive. So there you have it, folks. 10 smart, savvy, and budget-friendly tips to elevate your bedroom from ordinary to extraordinary. From decluttering to adding mirrors to dressing up your bed and even painting your room, each tip is designed to make a significant impact without breaking the bank. Remember, it's not about how much you spend, but rather how you use what you have to create a space that reflects your style and personality. You'll be amazed at how transforming your bedroom can be as simple as rearranging furniture or adding a touch of greenery. We'd love to hear your thoughts on these tips. Don't forget to share, comment, like, and subscribe to Serene Shelter for more home living advice. Until next time, happy decorating!